Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best SIM cards is probably one of the most crucial components of your mobile experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of SIM cards, exploring what they are, how they function, and the various types available. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your phone, understanding SIM cards is key to staying connected in today's fast-paced world. Number 5. Mint Mobile, 3-month plan with 5 GB data. Are you fed up with expensive phone plans? This plan offers a solution. It provides a great value for your money, making it perfect for anyone looking to save. For 3 months, you'll enjoy unlimited talk and text. Plus, you get 5 GB of fast 5G to 4G LTE data each month. It's all delivered on a reliable network. That's not all. You also get free 5G access, a free mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi calling and texting. You can even make free international calls to Mexico and Canada. Getting started is simple. The SIM kit includes a 3-in-1 SIM card. Just insert it into your device and activate it online. It supports most unlocked phones. Try it risk-free with a 7-day money-back guarantee. Check the website for coverage and phone compatibility. This plan is designed to give you peace of mind. Mint Mobile has revolutionized the wireless experience. They've made it easy and affordable. It's time to rethink your phone plan. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. New activations require upfront payment for the 3-month plan. Restrictions apply, so check the website for details. What we like. This plan offers incredibly affordable monthly rates, making it perfect for budget-conscious consumers. It runs on the nation's largest 5G network, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. If you hate your phone bill and want a straightforward, cost-effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. It has been a couple years since I started my trial. I did acknowledge that T-Mobile is acquired Mint. I do wish there is no further change to the existing plan, but increasing the data allowance would be awesome. I did travel to Canada and Germany this year, and I was able to roam in both countries by purchasing the Mint roaming pass. This is rare for prepaid services, I have to say. The hotspot speed tested on my laptop is the same as the one on the phone, which is 5G speed not capped at 4G LTE or any lower speed. Gotta recommend this. Number 4. US Mobile Prepaid SIM, Custom and Unlimited Plans. Looking for a flexible and affordable phone plan? This offers custom plans starting at just $4 a month. You can tailor the plan to fit your exact needs and budget. Need more data? This also provides unlimited plans, starting at only $17 a month. It's a great value for those who need a lot of data. With this, you get 2 SIM cards. One works on the Warp network, and the other on the Dark Star network. This ensures you have the best possible coverage. Activation is simple and quick. You can get started in just minutes and manage your lines anytime. It's designed to be user-friendly and convenient. Experience the speed of 5G with plans starting from just $4 a month. It's a fast and affordable way to stay connected. The unlimited premium plan includes up to 10 GB of international data. This is perfect for travelers or anyone who needs to stay connected abroad. This offers world-class customer support, available 24/7, 365 days a year. You can get help from a real person within seconds, whenever you need it. What we like. With customizable plans starting at just $4 a month, it offers flexibility to fit your specific needs. They also provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring you're always taken care of. If you need international data or prefer personalized service, you should consider this. What people say. They have very flexible options for minutes texts data, allowing you to tailor a plan to suit your actual usage. The starter SIM kit comes with 2 SIM cards to choose from. SIM card works as intended. Number 3. Simple Mobile Universal SIM Kit. This is the Simple Mobile Universal SIM Kit, powered by T-Mobile. It offers Nano and dual SIM card options. It's a simple and convenient way to stay connected. Forget about contracts and credit checks. With this kit, you can enjoy mobile service without the hassle. It's designed for your convenience. Enjoy a blazing fast, nationwide network powered by T-Mobile. It provides the reliability and speed you need. You can count on it. Get truly unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data for just $50. Stream your favorite content without worrying about overage charges. It's a great value. This SIM kit works with most unlocked smartphones, including Samsung Galaxy, HTC, LG, and all Apple iPhones. It's designed for wide compatibility. This kit is compatible with Alexa. It offers seamless integration with your smart home devices. It's easy to use. What we like. This plan offers truly unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data, perfect for heavy data users. It runs on T-Mobile's reliable network, ensuring great coverage and speed. If you like streaming and want a simple, no-contract solution, you should consider this. What people say. I ordered this and within one day it arrived. It didn't even say that it was 1 day shipping and the product worked perfectly. Muy buena oferta, excellent compañía. Number 2. Verizon 5G LTE SIM Card with NFC, Nano, 4FF. This is the Verizon 5G LTE SIM Card. It's designed to connect you to the fastest network available. With this, you can enjoy seamless connectivity. The SIM card is nano-sized, also known as 4FF. It's small but powerful, fitting easily into your compatible device. This ensures a perfect fit for your phone. Experience the speed of 5G. This SIM card unlocks the potential of the Verizon 5G network. It allows you to stream, download, and browse faster than ever before. It also comes with NFC capabilities. This feature allows for easy mobile payments and data transfer. It makes your life more convenient. This is a single SIM card pack. It's all you need to get started with Verizon's 5G LTE service. Get yours today and stay connected. What we like. This SIM card provides access to Verizon's 5G network, offering the latest in mobile technology. It's a nano-sized SIM, ensuring compatibility with modern smartphones. If you want the fastest data speeds and the latest features, you should consider this. What people say. The SIM card worked perfectly. I was able to make calls and use data without any issues. Number 1. Verizon 4G LTE SIM Card, 3-in-1. This 3-in-1 SIM card is designed to fit any compatible Verizon phone. It offers the convenience of having all 3 sizes in one card, ensuring compatibility with various devices. The card can be easily punched out to fit standard, micro, and nano-sized SIM slots. This versatility makes it a perfect solution for different phone models. This SIM card works seamlessly with both prepaid and postpaid Verizon accounts. It's a straightforward way to connect to the Verizon network. Please note that this SIM card is not compatible with mobile virtual network operators. Make sure it suits your specific service plan. It's important to know that this SIM card does not support NFC technology. Keep this in mind if you rely on NFC features for your phone. What we like. This 3-in-1 SIM card fits any compatible Verizon phone, providing maximum flexibility. It works with both prepaid and postpaid Verizon accounts. If you need a versatile SIM card that works with any Verizon phone, you should consider this. What people say. Very easy to set up and activate, and haven't had any service or connectivity issues as of yet. So, I popped this SIM card into my phone, and boom, instant connection like we've been best friends forever. No weird issues, no drama, just smooth sailing. Calls are clear, data is speedy, and I didn't have to call tech support once, my favorite part. Bought this to unlock a phone that wouldn't activate under an American SIM card and it worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.